Do you know how old is our Earth? The Earth is over 4,600 million years old. Though life began on the Earth around 3,500 million years ago, it was confined to plants and animals for many millennia. Humans appeared on the Earth in pre-Pleistocene and early Pleistocene period. The early humans who appeared on the earth were ape like creatures called hominids. They could not walk straight. They lived either on tree tops or in caves. They wandered from place to place in search of food and shelter. Gradually, as hominids evolved, changes occurred in their body. They could stand erect. Their fingers became more flexible, and thus they developed a grip which helped them to hold things firmly. This helped in making tools. The brain case became bigger and the jaws smaller. This category of humans is called Homo erectus. The Homo erectus travel long distances, unlike their predecessors. This period of human history is called as prehistory. The early ancestors of modern human beings are described as hunter gatherers. The early humans were totally dependent on nature for their survival. The earliest humans wandered from place to place for several reasons. Firstly, they wandered in search of animals that they hunted for food and skin. Secondly, plants and trees bore fruits in different seasons. Thirdly, they moved in search of water. From the earliest times till about 12,000 BCE, the early humans used stone for making tools and weapons. Thus, this period is known as Stone Age. This age has been further divided into Paleolithic or Old Stone Age, Mesolithic or Middle Stone Age, Neolithic or New Stone Age. The terms Paleolithic, Mesolithic, and Neolithic are derived from Greek words meaning old, middle, and new, respectively. The word lithos in Greek means stone. These are some of the types of quartzite. This is a type of hard stone. The Paleolithic humans were also known as quartzite humans because they used this quartzite to make their tools. These are the different hand tools made by stone during the Paleolithic age. Paleolithic age was divided into three: Lower Paleolithic age, Middle Paleolithic age, and Upper Paleolithic age. The division was on the basis of types of stone tools and climatic changes. Hand axes, cleavers, and choppers were used in Lower Paleolithic age. Scrapers and borers were used in the Middle Paleolithic age. Burins and blades were used in the Upper Paleolithic age. Early humans prepared stone tools by shaping rocks for specific purposes. Stone tools were used to hunt and skin animals, cut meat, chop trees, dig the ground, and scrape barks and skin. There are three categories of stone tools. They are core tools. They were used for pounding and crushing. Flake tools. They were designed for scraping and slitting. Blade tools, used for slicing and engraving. Early humans used two techniques to make stone tools. They were as follows. This is stone on stone method. This is pressure flaking method. The Paleolithic humans used tools made of wood and bone also, but it is the stone tools which have survived. However, some stone tools were also attached to handles of bone or wood to make spears and arrows for hunting.